Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Right, okay, I have got this to show you. This came in the post today. It's absolutely amazing. Did not expect it. I'm going to call it a rack because that's what it is. It's a random act of kindness. And I think it's absolutely awesome. And the person who gave me this is so talented. She's amazing. So, stop waffling. I'm going to take it out the box because the box has got my address on and her address on. And it's wrapped up in this gorgeous purple and pinky paper. Tissue paper. Beautiful. Okay. And there's more. Move that bit out of the way. Oh, absolutely amazing. So I've got a card and it says just for you. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I love it. I really do. Oh, it's gorgeous. And it's from Christine from Christine's Cards and Things. And she says, I have made this little surprise for you. I hope you like it. I love it. I really, really do love it. I've already messaged her and I've already thanked her. But yeah, thank you again, Christine. It is amazing. So there's the card. And this is what she made. This is absolutely fabulous. So it's a little folder that she's made. And this is a diamond art painting, and it's butterflies with purple flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I really, really do love it. Yeah. I can sit and look at this for hours, and it feels wow. Before we get inside, I'm going to show you the back. Some little butterflies on the back. So this is this, and inside, oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. We will get to everything. So we have 3 little butterflies on here, and they're little pins. So I can pin them to my bag, on my coat, on my stick. Absolutely gorgeous. And more butterflies. These are like hair clip things, but I probably won't use them in my hair. These will go on projects. Lovely. So there's 3 of them. Absolutely gorgeous. And we have these gorgeous ones. I have already got some of these in my stash, and they're absolutely beautiful. I love them. It's like a feather. That's what it looks like to me. Beautiful, beautiful butterflies. And we have a sticker butterfly. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And this fell out. I was thinking, oh, I think that's got in there by mistake. It's a little pen, but it hasn't. I will show you why in a minute. Just look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous pocket. And there's 2 more butterflies inside. And they're purple. And then we have got some gorgeous papers, and this is from, because I've got this paper pad right there, and it says it's called Butterfly Kisses. Yeah, absolutely beautiful paper pad, and I love that. I have more to play with because I've been hoarding that paper pad, and now I don't have to because I have got these. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. So there's them. And there's more. We have this. Sorry, I'm sucking on a cough sweet. A really, really bad cough. Is butterfly notits. Aren't they cute? I've never seen these before. But yeah, butterfly notits. And she's made a little holder for them. They're brilliant. They will just sit on my shelf. Probably won't use them. I might, I don't know. But they're absolutely beautiful. Yeah, got this. which is filled with, if all fell out, look, book corners. How lovely are those? I haven't got any silver ones. Mine are all like bronzy coloured. So yeah, they'll go in my little drawer with the other ones that I've got. Yeah. Gorgeous. Thank you. And there's more. Right. This, I think, is a replacement for this. And this is one of those pens that you can make. And it's beautiful. I love it. It's got a little butterfly on there, a little dangle, and a little angel as well. With some gorgeous beads. Wow. I absolutely love these types of pens. Yeah. Gorgeous. It's another pen. I haven't got many pens. And then in this pocket here, this is a big pocket. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, that is a massive pocket, isn't it? Love it. Right, let's put that there. Oh, I've just noticed she's used the book corners on here. Oh, lovely. So she has made some cards and they're all butterfly inspired, absolutely beautiful, with their own envelopes. Look at them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 cards there for me to send out. Oh, absolutely love it. Absolutely love them. Gorgeous. So yeah, I'm going to put them back in here for now so I don't lose any. Like a stir. So I've got something else to show you. Aren't they just fabulous, eh? Just fabulous. Love everything in here. Put them there. Beautiful. Thank you. I'll put them there. Thank you so much, Christine. I will link her channel below. She's fabulous. So please go over. Show her your support by subscribing. So yeah, beautiful. Thank you, Christine. That is absolutely amazing. But yeah, thank you so much for that. So I'm just going to put that there. And yeah, oh, it's gorgeous. So I've got this. My daughter bought me this, and it's from Art Studio. It hasn't got a name on it. You get 8 unique designs, 4 sheets per design, and there's 32 sheets, and the single-sided. I haven't opened it yet. No, I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it. There we go. So let's get that off there because that's a sticky. That's a sticky. Gone. Right, okay, so got some gorgeous, gorgeous pages in here. Oh, look at that. That is lovely. Cherry blossom. Butterfly, she said. The reason why she got me it is she's seen butterflies on it. But yeah. So butterflies, some leafy bits. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? That is so nice. Gorgeous. Oh, dragonflies. Fruit. Strawberries. Oh, a little bee and a little butterfly. And there we go. That's it. So yeah. My daughter works at the range and that's where she got this from. No idea how much it is. But yeah. Very nice. One last thing I need to show you. Where did I put it? Oh no, there's a couple of things I need to show you. Right, okay. So, I have 2 boxes, which I have made myself, because I now know how to make boxes. I followed Dawn's tutorial when she did her jewellery, and she made the box to go with it, and the inside as well, that she put a jewellery on. I think it's on a new channel. I'm not sure. I'll link both anyway. But there we go. These, I made these out of the jewellery kit that Dawn released. Was it April or March? I think it was March. We're in April now, so yeah, it'll have been, was it March? I can't remember. No. Days, I've lost days because I've not been very well, so yeah, I'm all over the place at the moment. But yeah, so I did that one in black and purple, and I think it looks amazing. And then this one is the gold with the gold and green, and I did a white innards for that, and they just look absolutely fabulous, don't they? I love them, absolutely love them. But yeah, there's them. One last thing to show you, my son did for me. He's just recently bought himself a 3D printer, and he's been having so much fun with it. And he printed me off a dragon, and it's a platinum dragon from D&D. I know not a lot of people like D&D. I love it personally. And this dragon is from a campaign that me, my son, and his fiance are doing at the moment. So yeah, absolutely glorious, glorious dragon. Love it. I'm gonna cough. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is it. I'm smacking my lips together with this cough sweet. Not working. So that's all I've come on to show you is put these bits here. My lovely rack from Christine. She will be linked below, like I said. So yeah, go over and check her channel out. Can't pick that up. And these gorgeous boxes that Dawn has a tutorial on. I'll try and find that video and link that video, but I will also link both of her channels. So yeah, that is it. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Can't stop feeling and looking at it. So clever, so clever. But yeah, that is it. That is all I'm showing you. Thank you very much. And I'm going. So if you enjoyed watching, I'm gonna put that like that, like that. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.